Meacode Eye Smart Glasses Review 2025 Legit or Wearable or Overhyped? Honest verdict. Most people get this wrong by thinking all smart glasses deliver futuristic experiences flawlessly. The surprising truth is that Meacode Eye Smart Glasses are a legitimate wearable with augmented reality features, but performance is not perfect. The glasses integrate notifications, voice commands, and are overlays, allowing navigation prompts and real-time data display. You won't believe how lightweight and comfortable they are, making extended use easier than many competitor models. Users report intuitive controls and clear displays in both indoor and outdoor environments. However, some limitations exist. Battery life averages around 4-5 hours of active use, and complex tasks may lack slightly. The surprising truth is that while impressive, these glasses are best suited for casual productivity and notifications rather than full-scale or gaming or industrial use. In conclusion, Meacode Eye Smart Glasses are a legit or wearable that delivers practical, everyday functionality. Most people get this wrong by expecting flawless futuristic performance, but if you value convenience, notifications, and lightweight features, these glasses provide solid value for their price.